We're a 3PL warehousing business. Our core sectors are food customers. We do dry goods for supermarkets and other businesses. We do consumer electronics. We also do quite a bit in the cosmetic sector. So we specialise in probably 3 to 4 main sectors. We set out at the start and we want to become a proper 3PL operation. That was our overall objective. We started with a fairly well-known 3PL software which was US based. It was generic, wasn't expressly what we wanted. We also found that dealing with a software vendor not in our normal operating hours wasn't ideal, so the customer service angle wasn't great for us. At the same time our business was evolving, so suddenly we had 40 clients and we had supermarkets. We were basically picking, packing 16 hours a day. We needed 100% picking accuracy or as close to as we could get it, so we needed modern technology, modern software for our warehouse staff to use. So we spent a lot of time looking for products and we came across CartonCloud, and it was absolutely the solution in terms of technology and usability for our people in our warehouse that we were looking for. We used to have people manually inputting sales orders, manually inputting purchase orders and not really being able to keep up. To be able to have automation, integration with sales orders, electronically, purchase orders, efficiency in picking, we've turned an unprofitable operation into a profitable one, and we've probably had a reduction of 4 full-time equivalent in terms of headcount. It's reduced our overhead by as much as 20% and massively improved our accuracy. It's been a massive win for us. What CartonCloud has enabled us is to take a business that was losing money and actually turn it into a business that's making money and is self-sufficient and relatively easy to run. And we did it, and we didn't miss a beat in doing it.